In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use calendar blocks in Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a business website, a portfolio, or a personal blog, integrating a calendar can help you share events, appointments, or important dates seamlessly with your audience. Squarespace makes this process incredibly intuitive, and in just a few simple steps, you'll have a fully functional calendar block added to your site. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Squarespace dashboard. This is your command center for managing all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page or section where you'd like your calendar to appear. It could be your homepage, a dedicated events page, or any other part of your site that makes sense for your layout. Next, click the Edit button to enter editing mode. This step unlocks the ability to make changes to your site's layout and content. Without this, you won't be able to add or modify any blocks on your page, so it's an essential step. Now, hover your mouse over the section of the page where you want to add the calendar block. As you do this, you'll notice an option to Add Block appearing. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the block menu, which contains all the different elements you can add to your page. From here, scroll through the block menu and select the calendar option. Keep in mind, you may need to scroll down to find it, as the blocks are organized by category. Don't worry if it's not immediately visible. It's definitely there. Once you've found it, click on the calendar block to proceed. Now, drag and drop the calendar block to your desired location on the page. This process is completely visual, so you can place it exactly where it fits best within your design. Once it's in place, you can resize or adjust the calendar block as needed. Squarespace's drag and drop functionality makes this easy, allowing you to tailor the size and positioning to your preferences. This ensures your calendar integrates seamlessly with the rest of your site's layout. If you find that the calendar block doesn't appear in the exact spot you intended, don't worry. Simply drag it to a better location or tweak the layout until it looks just right. Once you're happy with the placement and adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. This step finalizes the addition of the calendar block and ensures that it's ready to be seen by your visitors. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a calendar block to your Squarespace site. This tool is perfect for sharing events in an organized and visually appealing way. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.